Hey guys, we got another one of the ones, bruh. Another early look just for the Vintage Squad. Let's go ahead and hop into today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in to today's video, man. And in today's video, like y'all heard in the intro, I will be showing you guys some upcoming heat we do have this month of March. It's a lot of stuff coming out. And I feel like they started off strong with the Air Jordan 5. Olive's probably one of the most notable classic releases from the early 2000s. Had to add them things back in the collection. And if you guys add them in the collection, man, please let us know in the comment section, man. I feel like, you know, a lot of those classic colorways, a lot of people try to sleep on, and the next thing you know, them things is gone, and then all of a sudden you're regretting it, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So we're gonna wait a second. We're gonna, if y'all hit that like button, man. All right, man, so we have them back in hand, bro. You guys see, man, this one is courtesy of the GOAT app, bro. You guys know yesterday I dropped the video, you know, when I was anticipating the Air Jordan 4 military blues to come in. They came back not verified, not authentic. You know, that's not the only shoe I did purchase on the GOAT app. Your boy been spending some bread on GOAT, on eBay, on StockX, just for you guys, give you guys the dope content. So that's why I always tell you guys, man, hit that like button, bro. It truly does help. It shows you guys are enjoying the content. It shows everything not in vain, you feel me? So I don't mind going out, spend a couple extra dollars to get these early looks just for you guys, as long as y'all are enjoying it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all interacting and everything is lovely, bro. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro. This one right here, nothing too crazy, I feel like. Nothing too crazy, but it is Air Jordan 3. So, you know, people love Jordan 3s, and I feel like some people might gravitate heavily towards these joints right here, man. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Your boy is talking y'all head off. Super excited, man. Saturday Jordan release, Olive 5s. Let me know if you grabbed them, but man, check it out, bro. You see the box, man. You guys see the box right here. You have the green Jumpman up top. We get that same split box that we got with a couple of other Air Jordan 3 colorways, man. So let's go ahead and show you guys the box real quick, man. Give you guys a 360 of that. And let's go ahead and get into the official colorway, bro. And it reads Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Green Glow and Wolf Gray. And that pretty much told what this sneaker is, man. I got these joints in a size 9.5, as you guys can see right there. That's my new size, bro. I don't care what nobody say. I used to rock mainly all these shoes behind me, bro, is a size 9. Now I'm telling y'all, bro, 9.5 is just the perfect fit for my sneakers now. So let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Like I told y'all, got these things from GOAT. You feel me? Got the little GOAT, you know, brand on the front. And on the back, you do get this QR code. Nothing like eBay's QR code, but this one just takes you to, you know, the authentication process that GOAT does go through, man. So let's go ahead and get into here, bro. Your boy is talking, bro. And let's go ahead and get a quick little countdown, man. And 3, 2, 1, and bam, bro. Go ahead. Y'all can see them first, bro. You know me, I unboxed this sneaker, you know, raw, uncut with you guys. So at least you guys get that first look. You guys let me know how you feeling about them, bro. The Air Jordan 3 green glows. And let me check these out, bro. Let me check these out. Okay, these are not bad at all, bro. Air Jordan 3 green glow, guys, man. So let me go ahead and pull both of them out of the box. You got no extra laces. You do get your little sticker right here. I think that's like a quality control or some type of sticker. You guys know how the boxes come. I don't study boxes and nothing like that, so I ain't gonna get up here lying to y'all, man. But check these guys out, man. Jordan 3 green glows, and I'm not gonna lie, bro. You know me, bro. I've been selective this year. I ain't just picking up everything. I might, you know, review it and all that. But as far as me keeping the collection, I'm being very selective, man. And these right here, bro, these might get a pass, bro. These might actually stay in the collection. This is not a bad Air Jordan 3 at all. It's a couple of things that I did want to hit up on, you know, not knocking the sneaker, but telling you guys probably why it won't be as liked by the people. While some people might just straight up sleep on these things, but hey, it's a lot more reasons for people to actually grab these Air Jordan 3 green glows. And real quick, man, I gotta pick up and grab these Air Jordan 4 green glows right here. It's crazy because I just picked these up maybe a year ago. I bought these from the homie Jay the Sneaker Guy, man. Go ahead and check them out right there, bro. This is actually a size 9.5 as well. And then now we do have the Air Jordan 3 green glows, man. So, you know, kind of something we used to seeing Jordan do, drop a green glow 4, a green glow 3. They might even drop a green glow 5. It just how they do. They kind of rinse and repeat different colorways on different silhouettes. But I feel like they definitely executed, you know what I'm saying, the Air Jordan 4 green glows definitely well. These came out when I was in high school, and you fast forward all the way to 2024, and they put it on a Air Jordan 3, bro, which I said is not bad at all, man. I'm just being honest with y'all, man. Being 100% honest, I ain't gonna hype them up because, you know, I want to give you guys that real, you know, reaction to the sneakers, showing you guys how I feel about them. And they kind of just give you black cement 3 vibes, which we'll be getting later this year, bro. We're getting the black cement reimagines. And if you look at these real quick, bro, you look at them real quick, you feel me? You might think you got the black cement 3s in hand because the green glow hits are not as vibrant and don't stick out as much as you would probably think a green glow would actually be. So speaking of the black cement 3s, man, let me go ahead and grab these things real quick so I can show you guys what I'm talking about, man. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. You guys see, bro, black cement 3s, these dropped back in 2018. Like I told y'all, if y'all look at them real quick, bro, you honestly might not even tell a difference between the two sneakers if you take a quick look. So this could be another reason why, you know, either people grab them or people pass on them. This will be a very, very hype release, the Reimagined 3s. And you got a green glow 3 that might get a little less attention due to the fact that, like I said, the Reimagined black cement 3s are dropping later in holiday season 2024. Something that's super different about this Air Jordan 3 right here, when you do get it, it does come with this little, you know, cardboard that goes behind the tab right here. I don't know if that's due to the material on the ankle portion, because it's like a rugged suede on the back of there, and on the back of here it's just a normal, you know, little back tab. So I'm not too sure on why they put this little cardboard right here. Maybe something new they are trying to do. But when you do get a pair, don't be alarmed, you will have that little white cardboard, you know, behind your back tab. So of course, no Nike Air on these things, man, just your regular Jumpman Air, which, you know, I don't think people will be advocating for a Nike Air due to the fact that this is far from an OG colorway, man. And the tongue is actually different, man, quite unique, bro. You have like a rugged, you know, nubuck suede material with another green glow Jumpman right here. Hit you guys with a little close up of that, man. You guys can see this ain't your regular, you know, leather tongue you get on, or you typically get on your Jordan 3s. But another thing that I did notice is you got more of the elephant print, cement, whatever you do want to call it, around the lacing system, when typically for Jordan 3, you just usually get that perforated leather, man. So you guys can see the difference between that right there. They kind of went out a little bit with this one right here, kind of giving it a premium touch with the different materials that they did add on here. So hey, man, Jordan Brand definitely in their bag, giving us some heaters. So I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section how you're actually feeling about the upcoming Air Jordan 3 green glows that we'll be getting this month. All right, so I finally signed into the sneakers app, man. These Air Jordan 3 green glows will be releasing Saturday, March 16th, and the retail tag is $200. So not $210, not $215, not $225 like we've seen with the Olive 5s. $200, not bad at all. And this is a regular drop. It's not a women's exclusive, which is kind of a plus side with all the women's exclusives we have been getting from Jordan Brand. So yeah, guys, if you want to see a full review and on feed over these joints, man, let's get this up to 400 likes. If we get this up to 400 likes, your boy would definitely throw these things on feet, man. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's unboxing at some upcoming heat we got from Jordan Brand, being these Air Jordan 3 green glow guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you don't miss on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, man. Again, thank you guys so much. Love y'all. Appreciate you tapping in. Let me catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.